皆さんこんにちは。今日はですね、皆さんと一緒に漢字の書き方について勉強をしたいと思います。Today I'd like to show you Kanji's Stroke Order. So growing up in Japan, I was left-handed, and in elementary school we start a calligraphy class. The teacher told me back then that using left hand for calligraphy is not right. So I was forced to start writing with my right. And it was very, very tough at that time because I was always writing with my left. And in the beginning, I couldn't write at all. And my writing was so bad. But after a while, I got used to it and learned how to write with my right hand. But in high school, I went back to writing with my left hand again. So now I can write with left and right. I can use both hands. But traditionally in Japan, when I was growing up, left-handed was considered not correct. So a lot of times I think we were corrected growing up. But today I'd like to show you guys how to write kanji correctly, and there is a basic rule. So watch this video just as an entertainment, and if you can make this video very useful when learning kanji, I will really appreciate it. First rule, always top to bottom, left to right. So I'm going to write the kanji for number 1. This is ichi. So you go left to right. I'm going to write number 2. 2. I'm going to write a kanji for river. River. Rule number 2. Always horizontal stroke first and vertical. I'm going to write the kanji for number 10. Ju. Ju. So when there's a stroke that goes from top to bottom, that goes through a kanji in the middle, this stroke is always the last one. I'm going to write the kanji for middle. So this stroke is the last stroke. Chu. Naka. Yo. So as you can see, this will be the last stroke. And when there's a stroke that goes from left to right, that goes through a kanji, that stroke will be the last. I'm going to write the kanji for mother. Haha. Bo. Next kanji is boat. Boat. Fune. When there's 2 lines that cross like an X, always the right one first and then the left one. Right one first and the left one. Boom. Rule number 5. when there's a line in the center and there's a left wing and the right wing, you usually write the center line first. I'm going to write the kanji for water. So the straight line goes first, and then the left wing, and then the right wing. Water. Rule number 6. So this one, let me write the kanji first. I'm going to write the kanji for mouth. Kuchi, ko. So kanjis like this always start from the left. So starting from the left, then from top, go down, left to right. Kuchi. I'm going to write the kanji for gate. Left, left to right, down, gate, mon. Rule number 7. Kamae radicals that enclose the kanji will be written first. I'm going to write the kanji for sickness. So this is called kamae radicals. And then you would write the inside. Byō, byō, yamai. Next, I will write the kanji for spin. This will be the kamae radical. And then you will write inside and then enclose it. Mawaru, kai. Rule number 8. Nyo radicals which wrap around the bottom of the character is usually the last. I'm going to write the kanji for close or near. Kin, chikai. So this part is called nyo radical. This is a nyo radical. I'm going to write the kanji to build. Ken, kon. So this part is neo radical. Rule number 9. Ten or dot will be the last one in most cases. I'm going to write the kanji to ask. Okay, so this is the dot. Okay, so here's an extra. Even Japanese people make a mistake when they write these characters. I'm going to write the character for left and right. First one is left. Kanji for left starts from the side stroke. Left. So this is the first stroke, second stroke. Now we're going to write the kanji for right. So when you write right, this will be the first stroke, and then second stroke. I'm going to show you another one. There are two similar kanjis, chikara, power, and number 9, Q. They look kind of similar, but then the stroke order is different. First, I'm going to write the kanji for power. Okay, I started from this one, then second one. First, second. Now I'm going to write number 9. So I started from top to bottom, left to right. I know that kanji is very complicated and very difficult to memorize, and also you have to learn the stroke order. However, stroke order is nothing more than a way to write well-balanced and beautiful kanji. So there's no such thing as correct stroke order or incorrect stroke order. As long as the written kanji is correct, you're okay. And it's best not to worry about it too much, but adapt a method that's easy for you to memorize and easy for you to write. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.